Behind every great beard is a great beard trimmer. However, finding a tool that can handle your unique facial hair is not always easy. The basic requirement is power and precision, which you'll find in each of the beard trimmers on our list. After that, it's personal. Need sharp lines? Here are the 5 best beard trimmers under $100 we've picked for you. Number 5. MANSCAPED, the Beard. Hedger Premium. The Beard Hedger is equipped with an intelligent zoom wheel that offers 20 different length settings, allowing you to trim your beard to your exact desired length. Whether you want a long lumberjack beard or a light stubble, this tool makes it easy. Say goodbye to carrying around multiple attachments. This trimmer features a unique cutting angle and a built-in comb that lets you trim flat-lying hairs in one stroke. Its powerful, cordless DC motor and 41mm titanium-coated T-blade effortlessly cut through even the thickest beards and don't require blade oil. Designed for those looking to take their beard grooming to the next level, this trimmer is also waterproof, IPX7 rated, and can be used in the shower. With a 7,200 RPM motor and high-performance battery, it offers up to 60 minutes of uninterrupted use. The package also includes a waterproof hard travel case, an AC adapter, and a USB-C cable, making it convenient to take with you. In short, with the MANSCAPED R, the Beard Hedger TM, you can effortlessly groom your beard and achieve the look you want every time. This is a must-try product. Number 4. Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 7. 7 for 40. Today's 4th product is a fantastic choice for achieving professional results at home for your hair, beard, and body grooming needs. The Braun Series 7 All-in-One Style Kit. This amazing kit offers a 12-in-1 solution designed to meet all your grooming needs. It includes attachments for beard, hair, body, ear, and nose trimming. Plus, with the precision wheel, you get 40 different length settings, making it easy to achieve any style you desire. With Braun's sharpest Pro Blade, you'll achieve fast and smooth results every time. This blade provides perfect finishes even in difficult areas, making your grooming routine easier and more enjoyable. Enjoy up to 100 minutes of cordless use, giving you plenty of time for all your grooming tasks. What's in the box? It includes a Pro Blade trimmer head, a body groomer head, precision combs for beard, 0.5mm, 10mm, and hair, 10.5mm, 20mm, beard thinning combs, an ear and nose trimmer head, a detail trimmer head, a contour pro head, a mini foil shaver, a charging stand, a beard stencil, and an organizer pouch. The Braun Series 7 delivers incredible results on every hair type, length, and thickness thanks to AutoSense technology that automatically adjusts to hair density. With long-lasting sharp blades and a powerful Li-ion battery, this trimmer will be your reliable grooming companion for years. If you want to elevate your beard and body grooming to a professional level, the Braun Series 7 All-in-One Style Kit is the perfect choice for you. Number 3. Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000. This fantastic kit maximizes your hair, beard, and body grooming with a full set of 19 tools and accessories. Stainless steel blades ensure sharp and smooth cuts every time and never require oiling. The adjustable precision guard for 1 to 3 mm and adjustable comb for 3 to 7 mm give you complete control over your desired length and style. The Smart BeardSense technology scans beard density 125 times per second and boosts power exactly when needed to handle dense, thick, or long beards. So no matter what type of beard you have, this device can handle it. The set includes tools for hair cutting, nose and ear trimming, a wide hair trimmer, long beard guard, hair thinning combs, body grooming combs, and even an eyebrow trimming guard. With all these accessories, you can customize your personal care exactly how you like it. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 is equipped with a powerful lithium-ion battery that provides up to 5 hours of runtime. It can be easily charged anywhere with the USB-A charging cable. Wahl adapter not included. The steel frame and rubber grips provide superior control and durability. When removing the trimmer head, you'll notice the grease, which is there to ensure long-lasting and consistent performance. This means you get a smooth shave as good as the first time, every time. The Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000 will meet all your grooming needs with a single device and always deliver professional results. Number 2. Wahl Stainless Steel Lithium Ion 2.0 Plus Slate Beard Trimmer for Men. Unlock the doors to professional grooming at home with the perfect product. Wahl Stainless Steel Lithium Ion 2.0 Plus Slate Beard Trimmer Model 9864. This trimmer comes with 4 different heads: a wide T-blade for beard and mustache trimming, haircuts, touch-ups, body grooming, and detailing, a precision detail head for intricate designs and clean details, a rotary ear and nose trimmer head for hygienic grooming, and a dual foil shaver head for ultra-close shaves on the face and neck. Thanks to the Lithium Ion 2.0 Plus technology, this trimmer offers up to 3.5 hours of continuous use on a single charge, and you can use it for months without recharging. With minimal memory loss, the device is always ready to go. The 10 guide combs allow you to cut your hair and beard to the exact length you desire. The 8 T-blade guides range from short, 1 to 16, to long, 1 to 2. While the 2 adjustable 10-position guide combs, 2 mm 21 mm, provide various cutting lengths. For travel enthusiasts, an excellent feature is worldwide voltage compatibility. So, no matter where you go, you can use this device with 110V or 220V, making it ideal for vacations, business trips, and more. Number 1. Ufree Electric Razor Foil Shavers for Men. This machine is an excellent device for both home and professional use. First and foremost, its 7,500 RPM motor easily cuts through even the thickest and coarsest hair. It's powerful and features a sleek design. The metal construction provides both durability and a luxurious feel. The device is equipped with a titanium T-blade and dual foil blade. Whether you want a zero-gap shave, precise lines, or defined edges, you'll get exactly the results you want. Additionally, it is very gentle on the skin and hypoallergenic. Another great feature is its portability and long battery life. With a built-in rechargeable battery, it offers up to 150 minutes of cordless use with just a 2-hour charge, making it perfect for travel. It also has worldwide voltage compatibility, so you can use it anywhere you go. A small note: this shaver is best for beards up to 125 in length. For thicker and coarser hair, use the hair trimmer first to achieve a smoother shave. The Ufree electric shaver and foil shaver is an excellent choice for simplifying and perfecting every man's grooming routine.